For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline. 2 months after the government banned PUBG from the world's second largest internet market over cybersecurity concerns, PUBG will terminate its services in India on October 30th. India on September 2nd banned PUBG Mobile Nordic Map, Livik and PUBG Mobile Lite along with more than 100 apps with links to China. The ban came after India banned TikTok and dozens of other popular Chinese apps in late June. But unlike other affected apps that became unavailable within days, if not hours, PUBG Mobile apps remained accessible in the country for users who already had them installed on their phones, tablets and PCs. PUBG made an announcement of the same on its Facebook page. Dear fans, to comply with the interim order of the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology dated September 2nd, 2020, Tencent Games will terminate all services and access for users in India to PUBG Mobile Nordic Map Livik and PUBG Mobile Lite, together PUBG Mobile, on October 30th, 2020. Protecting user data has always been a top priority, and we have always complied with applicable data protection laws and regulations in India. All user gaming information is processed in a transparent manner as stated in our privacy policy. We deeply regret this outcome and sincerely thank you for your support and love for PUBG Mobile in India. The post also said that protecting user data was always a top priority. And they also claimed that the company had always complied with the data protection laws and regulations in India. They added, claiming that all users' gameplay information was processed in a transparent manner as disclosed in the privacy policy. In fact, according to one popular mobile insight firm, PUBG Mobile had retained more than 90% of its monthly active users in the country. PUBG Mobile had about 50 million monthly active users in India, tens of millions of users ahead of Call of Duty Mobile and Fortnite. A long-time analyst of the Indian gaming market said that PUBG had created an entire gaming ecosystem. PUBG Mobile kickstarted an entire ecosystem from esports organizations to teams and even a cottage industry of streamers that made the most of its spectator sport-friendly gameplay. Granted, Tencent did a lot of the heavy lifting in building it out, but the game's quality itself was heads and shoulders above what most Indians were used to on smartphones. And that's a reason many kept coming back, some eventually monetizing as well. Fans also reacted to the news and most of them were heartbroken. It's time to say goodbye. Surely we will miss this game forever. It's not just a game, but emotion of Indian youths. Thank you PUBG and the developers of Tencent for making our childhood awesome forever in our hearts. Playing this game from since the day this game has launched and its season 15 almost over. What a phenomenal journey this has been so far. Lots of love and emotions are connected to this game. Thanks for making my childhood even more awesome. Hope we will soon see the PUBG Mobile Indian version. While the mobile version of the app remains banned, the game is still available on PC and gaming consoles.